Okay,
Okay. So let's go with this process. Of course, when the QA start testing, you don't know how extensive their testing is, right? They do the data driven, they do the different type of testing. Data driven testing is you are testing the same functionality the way we did it, randomize it. You are sending the different sets of data. You are sending different sets of data each time. Now you cannot, you just do not ask what it is. If you, I'm just giving an example. If you test just a city application, right? Just the address field. A city has a tens of thousand address, right? Can you just say you tested one address, it is working fine? You cannot, right? That's not fair. So what you will do, in the address, you are actually sending the hundreds of sample data, hundred of sample address, so that you make sure your every address is working fine. If it is not 10,000, at least 100. So that's how it works. You are testing the same functionality, sending the different piece of test data. That's what we'll be doing here now. So let's do that.
okay. So to do this,
So create the another collection, please, and give the
yep.
name with the data driven. And feeding everything else, still you guys cannot take it. That's the problem. Okay. So give the name data driven in the beginning, so you know. Good. Let's do this.
Okay. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open Excel file. So I have the Microsoft Excel.
So you can do the data driven multiple way. You can do the Excel in the Microsoft Office, Excel on the Google Drive. You can do the JSON. Mostly quality students or everybody want to see the Excel because it's more user friendly, easy to read. So now you can set up what you're going to do in the request body. Whatever you are doing, we are going to bring everything onto the column as a variable. So your column will be your left side of the request body, that what you want to send the data. And your row will be the value you are sending each time. That's it. So go ahead, give the variable name you want. Anything you want, variable name, anything you want. Remember, that's nothing we are dictating. Company address, company team.
Okay, so these are the three variables you can say, because we have three keys here.
Can you make it bigger a little bit, the Excel, please? So
Okay.
you see this? If you want only 2 sets of data, you can do. If you want all the data, you want to data driven, you can do. If you want one, you can do anything. This is all you design. Make it bigger, the column, please. Good, looks good. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So let's give the name here of the company. Let's say like sorry. Okay. ABC like shipping, then ABC like delivery, ABC LLC, ABC Inc. Then ABC Limited. Uh, okay. So this is how we can add multiple names of the company, and we know that every company name should be the unique, because otherwise it will not allow us. Then here we can put the company address. So the company address, it's fine if we give same
Makes
address,
sense,
it will
right?
work.
One building can have 100 company, right? With the different suite. That's the reason the design is correct. The address can be the same. The suite number will be different. Yeah. What happened? You are too up.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Then this is the company TIN number. So let's like 1,
Yeah.
and also like
So TIN number has to be unique based on the requirements. So again, all the designing you can do everything, but the things goes where? You need to understand what you're doing. The things are easy, right? It's easy. Okay, you did everything is done.
Okay.
So now
So
we are
now,
going to call this company name, company address, company team in the request body. That's it.
yeah. So what you have to do, you have to first of all you have to save this into the CSV format. So just click on the save as, then
Comma
just show your
separated version, I
directory.
guess.
Yep. Then create a new folder if you want. So create a new folder here. Let's say FFM API automation February 23. So just open this folder, then give the name. Let's say data driven test data. Okay, then change the format here and select the CSV, this one, not the UTF-8 one, just select this one and then save this. Okay,
Yep.
so it's saved there. Now go to the Postman, and here we can see we have in the value or the name, we have the value like the random company name, random street address, random int. So it will come from the packages, but we don't want to get there from there. We want from the Excel. So just to remove this. Okay, we
The
need the curly
column name,
braces. Okay, so here we have to give the exactly column name. So we have the column name is the company underscore name, company underscore address, company underscore t. Okay, so let's give the name company underscore name. Okay, then
because the postman
company
to call a variable, you have to
underscore
keep the double curly
address,
braces.
company underscore teen.
Yep.
Okay,
Done.
so now the thing is this request is on the Postman, but this Excel is on my local machine.
Yep.
Okay, so what I have to do, I have to connect with this. I have to connect this Excel with this
Save it.
request.
Yeah, save it.
So
Run
how
it.
can I do this? Save this. Then what I have to do, I have to click on these three dots of the collection, run collection. Then this one is fine, run manually. Then this is the iteration is fine, it will be changed, and we want to change like 2000 pause. We can want to give the pause. Then just click on this select file from the data. Then just go to that directory I created, API automation FFM. Uh,
Data driven.
yes, this one. Then just select the file data driven test data. Okay,
To
and
stay
here
there.
it is, the iteration is changed automatically. If I want to preview, I just click on the preview, and here I can see the those data. See
So
this.
in this you can run only one. Will be running from the one, not the first row, the first row. So you can run all, right? Or you can run 2, 3, 4, whatever you need. That's it. You can just say it.
Okay,
Good. Close it, and you can say the
now
number of them.
if
Yeah.
yeah, now if I click on the run data driven this. Okay, so it's
So actually, this
creating.
is the power of the tools. But tools is helping us. But all of the things, the designing and the creating the data, how to create the test cases, how to actually test it. Tools did not tell me any of this did, right? There's nothing with the tools. Yes, tool is helping me, but all the work I have to do myself. That's the reason I am an engineer. Good, all the done?
Yes.